welcome back to the PBIS Rewards Discovery Series. Let's quickly review events. There are three basic types of events offered through our system. The first event is called a redeeming event. A redeeming event will cost your students points to register. That means those points will be deducted from the student's point balance. Next, we have a qualifying event. Qualifying event just means your students must have a certain point goal in order to register and attend the event. Students will not lose points for registering or attending a qualifying event. Finally, we have an awarding event. An awarding event is where students earn points for attending certain functions at school, such as PTO, open house, or even getting on the honor roll. Now let's take a look at how to create an event from the web portal. Come over to the left and select Events. From this screen, I want to come over to where the pencil is located and select the pencil. That will allow you to manage your events. This is also where you will add a new event. Let's add an event now. So we're going to make this a redeeming event, and remember that means it will cost your students points to attend. So let's say we're going to do a dance party for 8th grade. Okay, and we're going to make this 10 points, and we only are going to allow 50 students to come to this dance party. Now, the date for the dance will be selected here. So let's do this on the 27th of August. And because we specified 8th grade up here, we're going to click 8th grade here to mean only 8th grade students could register for this event. Down here at the bottom, we can either allow students to purchase it or show it in the list. Let's go ahead and show it in the list so all 8th grade will have an opportunity to purchase or redeem this event. After you've got this screen completed, you will click Save. Once that is done, you will see your event show up in the master list. And congratulations, you have created your event. Thank you for joining us today to review events. Please come back next time to learn more about raffles and drawings from our Discovery series.